Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm just going to explain to you guys, we installed a Speed Factory Street Savage cam with the AEM adjustable cam gear. And then right now I'm doing an oil change and new spark plugs. So this is the new cam gear, AEM adjustable cam gear. It's pretty nice. It looks really nice actually. I like how it looks. And then I'm underneath the car right now, doing an oil change. Then get some spark plugs done, pull the filter off, and yeah, so let's get to it. And this is my Speed Factory magnetic drain plug. Alright, as you guys can see, you can't see me, but we're right here. The oil's still dripping a little bit. I'm gonna flush some oil through there to clean out the system. And then, yeah, it'll be good. So, let's keep going and just do this oil change then.